This case study will show how to use the new spatial network nodes to estimate the accessibility to hospitals in Baton Rouge. First, create a new workflow and drag a CSV reader node to read the prepared hospital address data. Then we use Lat Lon to geometry node to transform it into geospatial data with geometry information. For residents, we use census block group data in Baton Rouge and use local file browser configuration to get the shapefile path as a flow variable which is fed into a subsequent GeoFile Reader node. Repeat the previous step to read the road network data. Then we can use Steet Network Matrix node to calculate the travel time and distance matrix between residents and hospitals based on the origin, destination point, road network, and speed information. Before using it, we need to transform the speed in the unit of meters per minute. Here the original unit is miles per hour. The result contains the origin ID, destination ID, duration, distance, and snap distance, which are the distances between the OD points and the road network. We can also use another node, Google Distance Matrix, to calculate the OD matrix, which only needs the origin and destination point information, but the user might provide their own Google Distance Matrix API key. We might notice that if the data is not a point feature, it will be transformed as its centroid while calculating. Further comparison shows a persuasive correlation, 0.93 and 0.97 between the results. Scatterplot can also help us understand the difference between the two ways of OD matrix calculation. Then we can use Group By to get the minimum travel time to hospitals and map it with geospatial view nodes. Obviously, the residents in urban areas have better accessibility than those in suburban areas. We can easily change the accessibility standard as the mean travel time. If we want to know what is the service area of one hospital in terms of travel time, we can use another node isochrone map. Before using that, we need to calculate the travel time for each road segment. Then use row filter to get one hospital and link the two data to the isochrone map node. In the dialog, set time as travel cost and input as interval values. Their units are consistent with the column time, which is minute. Users can explore the result by Geospatial View node. Please notice that all the input data can be acquired by the OSM POI and OSM Boundary Map OSM Road Network in the Open Dataset category.